Hey now, welcome to my channel, Kathie's Heart, the place where I share all things near and dear to me. If you're new here, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And if you're returning, you must like what you see, so go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss my next video. I'll wait. If you're watching this video right now, that probably means that you need help. So go ahead, exhale, because your search stops here. Let me just say that I homeschooled all 6 of my kids. Yes, I said 6. And about to homeschool my 7th, my grandson. Now, I did this back in the early 90s when homeschooling wasn't popular, so I had to educate myself about all the how-tos and what not to do's, what to do's. Now that my children are grown, they share with me all the should-haves and the should-have-nots. Is that a word? So now that my children have grown, they have taught me what I should have and should not have done. So with that knowledge, I have learned so much. So that's why I'm here sharing this with you today. So now that's out of the way, let's get right to it. Here are 10 tips that you can use to help your child be successful with this new distance learning. Number 1, start a schedule now. I've been allowing my grandson to stay up later because he hasn't had to wake up early for school, but now is the time to get your child back into that school time routine so that he can wake up and be successful. Number 2, make time. Whether you are working or a stay-at-home parent, set aside a special time every day where you can give your child or children quality one-on-one time so that they can ask questions and get help and know and feel that they have your support. Number 3, stay informed. Know how to be able to get in contact with your child's teacher, know about what they are expecting of your child, look over the lesson plans, know the apps that the teacher is using so that you can be able to help your child as he goes through. Number 4, make sure your child has a designated learning space. Ask them where does he feel like or she feels like they could learn the best, and make that spot available so that he can or she can be there to learn every day. Make sure that that place has all the items and materials that that child will need. Here's an example of what that might look like for you, but every place is different. Number 5, accentuate the positive. Find one thing that your child is good at or enjoys with his schooling, like his math. Encourage him and boost his confidence by congratulating or celebrating that he's doing well with that subject, whether it be math or reading, and that will encourage him to do better and more. Number 6, ask for help. Contact his teacher if you don't understand some subject that he's doing or question that he has. It doesn't hurt to ask. Number 7, follow through. These are difficult times for us all, and especially for kids. They haven't been able to be with friends, be in school. So if they know that you are there for them no matter what, be consistent, and then they will be able to succeed. Number 8, individualize. And that means if you have more than one child, every child is different. Every child learns different. One thing that will work for one child may not work for another. So try to adjust how you teach one child from another child. I experienced this having 6 children, so remember that as you teach, that every child learns differently. Number 9, find a support system or collaborate with others, such as like a parents group, a neighborhood group, or maybe a church group. With the technology that we have today, we can still use social distancing by using things like Zoom or other uses of technology to collaborate with others. Number 10, last but not least, choose your battles. Be flexible. It's been difficult for all of us, especially for our children. They haven't been able to be out as much, be in school and socialize with their friends. So if certain routines don't work out, allow for things to change. Listen to what your children are telling you that will make learning more easy for them, and learn to let go a little bit. If you're still here, I just want to thank you for watching. It brings me great joy to be able to share knowledge with you. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.